Do you ever feel like your clothes are wearing you and not the other way around? Do you ever feel like going shopping only to remember that you hate shopping? Well, don't I have the thing for you? Introducing Crochet Clothes. All you need is a hook and some yarn.
Wait, I have to make it myself?
Well, yes, silly. You said you don't like to shop.
Fair enough.
So, find a comfy spot, put on your favorite show, and clear out the next few days. Because you've got some clothes to make.
Perfect. I'll have this done in the next few days. Thank you, whoever you are, because you never said. Hey, besties, and welcome back to my little corner of creative chaos. So today we're going to be stepping into a new realm, one that still makes me a little bit nervous, but I'm still really excited about, and that is crocheted fashion. So recently I stumbled upon these amazing crochet outfit patterns from this awesome, amazingly talented YouTuber. Like, her stuff is chef's kiss. It's gorgeous. And I knew just by looking at the thumbnails that I had to make it. To be quite honest with you, shopping gives me anxiety when it goes to like trying on clothes, picking out clothes. Will this look good on me? Will this not? And honestly, I feel like nowadays clothes are like really expensive for something very cheap. Like a little tank top is like $15. So I'm just like, whoa. In theory, yarn is cheaper. In the long run, is it? Maybe not. But when you buy something for a specific project, it is. So that is another plus to this whole thing. That being said, I am not a fashion guru. If you came to this video looking for your next fashion influencer, I'm looking for her too, because this is not it. I am not your girl for that. But I will say I am excited to try something new. Disclaimer, I feel like I should mention it. This is not my first time doing crochet fashion. I have made this sweater before. So this is not what I'm making in this video. This is something I've made. It's actually not even finished yet because I never added in this part of the jacket for this. So hopefully this project that I'm working now gets completed, because whew, this didn't even get finished. So not even a crochet fashion guru. I'm super excited to try on this new journey, and I already know it's going to be some up and down, trial and tribulations for this, because it wouldn't be in my video without it. With that being said, let's get into it. We have unlocked a brand new spawn point, so take it in. So cute, so cute. All right, so for today's project, we're going to be doing this skirt, and hopefully if we have time to finish it, we'll also do another top, a top to like go with it. But for sure, that skirt. So today's pattern that we'll be following is from Shyler Crochets, and I hope I said that correctly. If I didn't, I apologize, but I'll be putting the link to the video in the description down below. So make sure to check her out, but after you finish this one. Yeah, and it's also going to be really easy because it only requires one color of crochet, so I don't have to be changing colors. I mean, I could if I want to, I might, but I'm probably not going to for my first time. And so I just got my one color. I know Super Saver is not popular amongst people who make clothes out of crochet, and I think this sweater is Super Saver mixed with like big twist, and I don't hate it, so I think I'll be fine. So yeah, this is what I got, and we're gonna get started, but I need my crochet hook and I left that upstairs, so I have to go get that and then we'll get started. Okay, so now that we have our stuff that we need, the first thing we're gonna do is make a chain so it matches the length of our, or the width, the length of our waist, the width of our length, the length of our width, the width of our waist, the width of our waist, the width of our length, the width of our waist. Oh my gosh. That's what we're gonna do first. Just make a chain to do that. So slip stitch, chain up into whatever fits my waist, and then we move on. And I think from there she just did a whole bunch of double crochet, so I'm looking forward to that because that's super easy. That's also one of the main reasons I chose this one, because I feel like it would go by really quickly. But she does have a little other complicated stuff, but we're jumping way too far ahead. Let's get that done and then move forward. Okay, so I finished one, I think I'm on row 2 now. So I did my first chain, then I did the first row double crochet, and now we're moving on to the second row of double crochet. It is I'm just gonna go up until I'm done with all my double crochets, and then I'll meet you guys back and then I'll update you guys. But it's really just straightforward double crochets from here on out. So it's nighttime. Yeah, time has passed. This took a longer than I thought it was gonna be, but this is what we have so far. It may not look like much, but it's going to be like the base of the skirt. I promise you, it works. I'll try it on for you guys so you guys can see how it looks. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. I think it's pretty cute. It is shorter than what I'm used to wearing. It does cover what needs to be covered. And that's all you can really ask for in this life. This part's covered. Like back here is covered. So I think it's fine. Still have to add more length with the ruffles. And then we also have to add the hem. Come here, Dad. Give your opinion.
You're missing a lot. So
He's just being a dad. He's just being a dad.
No.
It's gonna stop like here.
No.
That's what the pattern says.
Patterns are made to be enhanced.
This you go to the club, you go like, hey. Look it through the mirror. That looks not that bad in the back. Look it.
Oh my lord. Oh, stop.
This dress or skirt has taken me a lot longer than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know. I'm just doing a whole bunch of double crochets, but I think this is like 23 rows of double crochets to fit my waist, and I'm not a small girl. I do got a little thickums on me, so I'll give you a little spin. I feel like because my thighs are really big too, it's like weird to like move in it, but yeah. Oh well. Okay. Hello. New day. I finished the ruffles. So this is what it looks like right now. Technically I could stop here, but in her video she put like a waistband and it was really, really cute. So I'm gonna attempt to do that and then we'll be done. Hopefully it doesn't take too much more time because I don't want to do that. I'll try it on so we can see what it looks like just like this. So this is me with the skirt on. I did lengthen it a bit because I think yesterday it was like right here. So I lengthened it. Plus the additionals, the ruffles helps too. Do you think I made like the top part a little bit too loose because it feels like really frumpy on the top? So that's why I'm going to be adding that waistband part because from her design it makes it look like it's going in a little bit, so it's going to be a little bit tighter to hold it in place. This is what it looks like so far. Little spin moment. Let's get to that waistband and finish everything up. Okay, so this is the skirt. I'm definitely happy with the way it came out, but we're not done. We have one final step, and that step is to add the elastic band. And you're probably wondering, like, why, what, like elastic? But it's actually the reason I chose this pattern to begin with because I've never seen anything like it before, so I thought it'd be cool. So let's get started with that one. Or I say let's get started a lot. Let's do it. Same thing, honestly. Okay. Anyways, let's do it. So we had our visions, we also had our ups and downs. So let's go see how I did. Okay, so this is the final skirt. I'm extremely happy with the way it came out. I'm honestly super surprised like how much I love these ruffles. Like when it's not on me, it looks kind of like weird looking, but I kind of like them like this. I also really love how like comfortable this skirt is and like how like wearable it is, because my biggest fear was that it was going to be not like walkable. Like I feel like I was gonna walk like this, but like I can like freely move in said skirt. So this project was a very long ride, but I will say it was totally worth it because I really liked the way it came out. But this is only one half of the outfit that I have planned. Make sure you guys stay tuned for my next video where we make the top. What do you think of this skirt, and would you wear something like this? Let me know in the comments down below because I would love to hear what your takes are. If you enjoyed this chaotic little adventure and seeing the project come to life, make sure to give this video a big ol' thumbs up because it really helps out my little corner of chaotic confusion. And if you're not already, make sure to hit the subscribe and turn on the bell so you can join the fun wherever art, crafts, or whatever crazy idea pops into my head next. Thanks for hanging out with me, besties, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. Mwah.